There's only 5% of women in trades right now across the province. A day like today is offering our young females a chance to see that this could be a career for them, to increase the amount of numbers of women we have in trades, and really just to get hands-on experience in a bunch of different areas that they may not have had before.
I like the carpentry.
How come?
Because I've always loved doing woodwork, and I've always helped my dad out with it.
So do you see yourself doing trades in the future?
Yes.
Before today, would that have been true?
No.
So what is it about today that made you see it different?
Just being able to come here and see other people, other girls just doing this, and it seems not so scary.
Welding was really fun.
Yeah.
Why was it
Welding
fun?
was the best because you could create anything if you put your mind to it. It's been crazy, very, very fun.
So what was it in particular that you
The
enjoyed?
welding, just of what you can do and what you can build from it. And I've never really experienced something like that before, so it's crazy of what you can do.
So do you think it's something you might want to pursue?
Possibly. It's different and very exciting and very thrilling. So yeah, I could see it in my near future.
Had you thought about it as something you wanted to do before a day like today?
No.
So days like today are important because?
They're very important because you can really realize what you can do with your life in the future. Instead of choosing something that you don't enjoy, while doing the trades, you can find out something that you would want to do in your future.